Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to integrate Pinterest shopping on Shopify. First, go to the Shopify website and make sure you log in into your account. Then, from the left-hand menu, click on Apps. Now, click on the Shopify App Store to open the App Marketplace. In the search bar, tap Pinterest and press Enter. Click on the official Pinterest app if it appears in the results. If it's available for your store, click on Install and follow the prompts to connect it. If the Pinterest app is not compatible with your region or store type, go back to the search bar and search for Pinterest again. Now, look for an alternative app like PinAuto, Pinterest Product Publisher, and click on it. Then, click on Install to add it to your Shopify store. On the next screen, click Install again to confirm. Once the app is added, open it and click on Connect Pinterest. You will now be asked to log into your Pinterest account, enter details and allow permissions. After logging in, the app will connect your Shopify store to your Pinterest account and your product can be published directly to Pinterest for shopping. And that's it, your Pinterest shopping integration is now set up on your Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.